Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS Classes. Okay, so guys, every student wants to know how to calculate the area of a triangles, and every teacher teaches from 5th class how to calculate the area of a triangle. So guys, today we will discuss about the how to calculate the area of a triangle. Guys, we have different types of triangle. First of all, we will discuss about the equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle, and secondly we will discuss about the right angle triangle. If we have given the side of a triangle and one perpendicular distance, then we can calculate the area of a triangle. So to calculate the area we have required only two things, that is one base and second is perpendicular distance. So now let us discuss and solve two example related to area of a triangle. So we have first triangle ABC. Okay, and here we have given one base BC. This is base, this is 6 centimeter, and perpendicular distance, perpendicular distance is opposite vertex of a base. This is 5 centimeter. AP, this is 5 centimeter. So guys, if we have only this triangle ABC, its base, this is equal to 6 centimeter, right? And this is perpendicular distance. This perpendicular distance, this is 5 centimeter. We need only these two things to calculate the area of a triangle. Now AP, this is equal to 5 centimeter. So area of triangle ABC, this is equal to, the formula. Every student need remember the formula of a area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height into base into height. And what is the unit? We have two sides, that's why square centimeters or square unit. So here 1 by 2 and base is equal to BC, and this is 6 centimeter, and height is equal to 5 centimeter, and this is equal to 1 by 2, 6 5s are 30, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square, and this is equal to 2 1s are 2, 15 2s are 30, this is 15 centimeter square. Guys, if you have this triangle is a scalene triangle or a isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. Okay, now we will calculate the area of a right angle triangle. Guys, if you have a right angle triangle, the right angle triangle is that triangle, a right angle at one vertex. Okay, so this is A B C. Right angle means 90 degree angle. Okay, so you have given BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So given BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AB, this is perpendicular on base, this is 5 centimeter. Then area of triangle ABC. Guys, this is a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at a B. This is equal to half into base will be BC, into height will be AB. Okay, square unit. And this is 1 by 2. BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AB is equal to 5 centimeter, right? So this is 5 6 is 30 over 2 centimeter square, and this is equal to 15 centimeter square. Guys, this is the area of a right angle triangle. So guys, we will solve the area of a triangle by same formula, but we need only two things. What first is base and second is a perpendicular distance. So guys, I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve the question. Thank you. Have a nice day.